Hi. Where does the deck spring tensioner go on Husqvarna RZ46i?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Husqvarna tool or machine? How old is it?
Not sure, but it has been a while. My dad's mower. The spring popped off yesterday and now the blades don't engage.
How long has this been going on with your Husqvarna lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
I have the foot plate removed. Looking towards the seat I see all the pulleys, etc.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
If I had a diagram of the spring location, what 2 things to attach it to would be great.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. 37I bolt to 42 studs sticking up. See link below. https://www.partstree.com/part/Husqvarna/mower 0-turn lawn mower /RZ46239667645001 Husqvarna 0-turn mower 2011-03/mower deck cutting deck/. Sorry, 37 to 44.
Thank you.
Venue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.